Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection so you can get back online quickly. A lot of people run into issues where their Xfinity Wi-Fi drops, won't connect, or shows no internet. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the best methods to fix it. Method 1. Restart your modem and router. Unplug your Xfinity gateway or modem router combo. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to fully restart and reconnect. Method 2. Check for service outages. Open the Xfinity My Account app or go to xfinity.com. Sign in and check if there's an outage in your area. If there is, you'll need to wait until Xfinity restores service. Method 3. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Select your Xfinity network, tap Forget, then reconnect by entering the password again. Method 4. Reset your Xfinity gateway. If nothing works, press and hold the Reset button on your gateway for about 10 seconds. This will restore default settings and may fix connection problems. Important notes. Make sure your bill is up to date. Unpaid accounts can lose service. Place your router in a central location to avoid weak signals. If problems continue, contact Xfinity support for further help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more internet troubleshooting tips.